Welcome to the channel Auto Trend. Today, we're diving into the story of the Jaguar XF, a car that represents luxury, performance, and British automotive excellence. While the XF name is modern, let's imagine what it would have been like if Jaguar had unveiled an XF in 1965, blending timeless elegance with the power and innovation of the era. In 1965, Jaguar was already a leader in luxury sedans, with models like the Mark X and S-Type defining British sophistication. If an XF had existed then, it would have combined sleek styling with a powerful inline-six or V8 engine, delivering smooth yet thrilling performance. Jaguar's focus on craftsmanship would have ensured a luxurious interior, featuring premium leather, wood trim, and advanced comfort features for the time. On the road, a 1965 Jaguar XF would have been a perfect balance of grace and agility, with precision engineering making every drive an experience. Whether on winding country roads or cruising through city streets, it would have stood as a symbol of prestige and innovation. Though the real Jaguar XF debuted much later, its spirit is deeply rooted in Jaguar's long history of blending performance with luxury. Today's XF continues the legacy, offering modern technology and power while keeping the brand's signature elegance alive. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing car content. What do you think a 1965 Jaguar XF would have been like? Let us know in the comments, and stay tuned for more automotive history and trends. See you in the next video.